Coming this December to pay-per-view, WWE presents Tables, Ladders, and Chairs. Catch every bone-crushing pile driver and every high-flying elbow as your favorite WWE superstars compete for the titles, including John Cena versus Sheamus in a tables match for the WWE Championship, ECW Champion Christian versus Shelton Benjamin in a ladder match, and for the main event, World Champion Undertaker will take on Challenger Batista in a chairs match for the title. And as if that wasn't enough, the Women's Championship and the Intercontinental title belt are also up for grabs. So this December 19th, don't sit on the couch wondering where all the action is. It's right here on WWE Pay-Per-View.